Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can increase microphone volume in Windows 11. So here it is. So you simply need to click the right mouse cursor and click on sound settings. So once you are in this window of sound settings, here you can see that my microphone. So this is the volume control. If you want to make it louder, you simply need to slide this here, and if you want to make it sound less, you simply need to drag from here. So currently I'm recording on my mic, as you can see that. So I make sure that it is 100% full so that my voice is clear. So this is the process how you can increase microphone volume in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.